Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to share a VPN app that will help you secure your connection and add an extra layer of protection while browsing online. This app is available on the Google Play Store. Open Google Play Store and search for ENZite Lite. Check the app name and icon, then install it on your device. Once installed, tap Open to start the setup. If you're new here, take a moment to like, share, and subscribe for more useful content. When the app opens, the first step is to update its resources. Tap the menu button in the upper left corner and select Online Update. This ensures the app is running the latest version and provides the best service while securing your connection. Next, add connection time. Tap the 1 hour button and set your desired time. This prevents the app from stopping unexpectedly and ensures a secure connection for longer periods. After that, select a server. I recommend using Auto Select Server, which automatically picks the best server for your location. You can also manually select your preferred server if needed. Then, choose a network. For today's guide, we'll use UDP, which is fast and secure. If UDP doesn't work in your country, you can select your country from the list. Finally, tap the Start button to connect. Once connected, your internet will be fully secured with extra protection while browsing. That's how you set up ENZite Lite for a fast and secure connection. If this guide helped you, please like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials.